the best student I ever had. Ano ever had? Hindi ka teacher.
Classmate.
Best classmate I never had. I never had. I never had.
Ever, ever.
Ever. Debbie. Pwede sinay ko next.
What else? So you grade her.
Upuan mo. You're the best student.
Student. You greet her happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Julia. Thank you.
Okay. Greet her. Batiin mo siya.
Ba't ka nakaganyan?
Dito.
Now what will say? Happy?
Happy.
What else?
Wow.
Message nga, di ba? Di ba message? Hindi lang yun. Ba't ka na yung mukha mo kanina?
Okay natin. Okay.
After message. O, ikaw muna, Ibar.
Thank you!
Okay. Today, our ate here in the classroom. So, I wish nothing but the best for you. May your goals, may your dreams in life ay reach mo someday. No? Makuha mo yung mga goals mo na gusto mong marating sa buhay. And study hard lagi and be an inspiration to your classmates. And that's what you need naman. You're the best ate for